want to show you guys how I upgraded my 2009 BMW E70. I wanted it to have the aggressive look at the V8 model, or the M model. It has the basic body style, and I did add a few things to it, made a few changes, so he can have that aggressive look. Doesn't have a powerful V8 engine. I don't need that. I think this is the better engine of them all, because the straight 6-cylinder non-turbo engine is very reliable. It's less likely to have a oil leak, and it is easily maintained. The daytime running lights, that was angel lights, I added LED to it. It has a regular halogen bulbs in there, so I wanted to have that super white look, you know. Yeah, the next thing I add on this car is remote start. I had remote start to it. I think it was one of the most expensive thing. I pay like 400 and change for the remote start. No, it's not the most expensive. It's the second most. The wheels were the most expensive. I got the wheels for $700 with tires. You know, they were pre-owned, so it was a good deal. But then the wheels the stock wheels that came on the car, I sold those for $400. So actually, if I do the maths correctly, I think the wheels would only cost me like $300, because it's like almost like a trade. So that was, so basically the remote start would be the most expensive part of it, and I did it myself. The headlamp lens is one of the things that I did change. I have a video up on YouTube that shows how I did it, the process of me doing the headlamp. Brand new, so I have the original lights. I only changed the lens. I didn't want to mess around with the lights and put some aftermarket lights in it, so I used my original lights with all the original things inside of it. All I did was take the lens off and put a new lens on it. The tips for the muffler, the tailpipe, I actually get these off eBay also. These were actually used. Yeah, they were pre-owned. I pay like maybe $40 for them. Then I paid the guy $50 to install it, so it wasn't a bad deal. I do the OEM style running board. They're actually aftermarket running board. They're not the genuine ones, but they do look good. You know, they still look original. They doesn't have any. This is fairly good quality. So this was, I think, was a good buy. Yeah, definitely. Now the bumper lips, I did those. I bought them off the market. Yep. And I also have a video up on when I was doing it. The front and the rear, it comes in the kit. I think it's like 13 pieces. And it's not hard. It's not that hard. I have a video online. If you can't get the spray, it comes in prime in gray. So you just have to sand it down, get it sprayed. I did it myself also. So it didn't cost me a lot to install these things. I changed the Fender Flare. These Fender Flares are They're aftermarket. They're not the genuine ones, but they fit pretty good. I replaced all the interior lights with LED. It's LED all over. I replaced all the interior lights under the footwell, glove compartments. It's all LED lights now. The rear, the roof, everywhere. It's all LED lights. All LED. Everything now LED.
The next thing I did on this car is I add a device that allows me to stream music directly from my cell phone. It is the pre-LCI version model, so it does not have the option of streaming music from your cell phone. So what I did, they made this device in Germany specifically for the BMWs that allows you to stream music. So you connect that device to your auxiliary input and USB input, and it also connects to your phone via Bluetooth. So once you start the car, it will automatically connect to your phone. If you were playing music before, it continues where you left, and you can control it from the control on your steering wheel. So it allows you to stream music. This BMW already has the hands-free system for making and receiving calls, so it will still continue to do that, but it never allows you to stream music. So now that device is only $89, and it works efficient. It works just like how it would come originally on the newer vehicles.